Hi, today I'm going to take you through our new video to sound platform, what it is, how it works, and we're going to get some high quality audio in sync with some video, download it and get it into our project right away. So what is video to sound? Video to sound is a browser based platform that allows you to add in a video, either if you drag and drop or through your Finder or Explorer. You simply drag and drop that video in and our system uploads it. Purely for the process of video sound. We don't use any of your videos for our training purposes. Once you've uploaded that video, video to sound will start to analyze it and figure out what sounds needed to be added to it automatically, and we'll add those to it and allow you to audition them in the browser and then download locally. So the idea at this stage, at the early access version of video to sound, is that we'll only create the background ambience of this scene, and it does it using high quality audio recorded by ourselves, our sound designers and our partners. So there's no generative audio involved here. And it's going to synchronize these things automatically to the scene, give you high quality stuff. It's royalty free and it's very fast and easy to use. So as you can see here, the browser window is giving me a little bit of update there about what it's doing, and it's created a first pass of this scene now. So as you can see now on the UI, we've got a mix and we've got the layers that it's produced from this first example. So depending on the example that you have, it may create up to 4 different layers. So this one has only produced 2. So let's take a listen to the mix in sync with video. Okay, so it's selected a sort of fan that may be part of that kitchen scene and some subtle Foley sounds that it's got down on these additional layers. So this is a good start for this scene, and I've been able to do that really quickly and do it in my browser just by adding in the video. So I've got another example I did slightly before starting this call. Now the reason for this is this was taking a little longer than I wanted to do live on the video. So depending on the complexity of your video, it will take maybe a couple of minutes to analyze a video. So rather than sit here and look at that video analyzing and just talking, I did this ahead of time. So I've just kept a record of this session here on a different tab. You can of course do that. You can copy paste these little links down for yourself for personal reference if you want to come back to them. So this example really shows off some of the really powerful, unique aspects of what video sound can do at this point in time. So this is a much more complex scene, as we'll see when we play it back. So we've got multiple scenarios here. We've got different landscapes here. We've got a city. If I just skip forward, we'll see we've got a character walking in an urban environment. We've got an office. We've got someone walking in the countryside, etc., etc. So the strength of video sound is it will detect those scenes and produce the background ambience for each one of them and then give you the layers. All right, so let's take a listen and let's have a watch of the clip and listen. Okay, so all this was automatically added by video to sound. We've got multiple different layers for all these different scenarios. It's automatically figured out what is appropriate to each one of those little scenarios and scenes and made a little background ambience for it. All right, so next step, let's click download all. Let's download the video, all the stems and everything ready to go straight into my local browser. So I'm going to use Pro Tools and Resolve as part of this next stage. So once I've downloaded the results, you'll get a little zip file. You unzip the zip file and you'll see a bunch of stuff inside. So I've got the video. So the video obviously contains the mix of what video to sound has produced at this point. We've got the mix and we've also got the layers. So this is where it starts to become really, really powerful because you can use the tool as a way to get a first pass on that video and then get them into your DAW and then start mixing, start using them. So in Pro Tools now, I just added those to my session. I can, of course, play that back and start mixing. Obviously, these are all on stereo tracks, so if I want to, I can obviously cut these down, put them on different tracks, get the balance right. But now this obviously allows me to get something that I might find more appropriate than what the automatic mix has done. So not only does this a fast workflow because it's automatically giving you options, but then once you have those options, you can choose how they're actually used, how they are mixed, how they are used in your project. So that will be how it works in Pro Tools. Jumping over to Resolve, for example, or any other NLE, the process will be exactly the same. Once you've got those stems, you can of course just drag them in to the audio part of that software. In this case, in Resolve, I'm just going to drag them into Fairlight, and there we go. Well, we've got that ready to go in our video, and I can edit those, cut them up, and do whatever I want. So we've got a really, really powerful workflow now with using video to sound that's going to allow you to quickly get a video in, automatically get a background ambience for it. If that's a short clip, that's just a single scene or multiple scenes, download that for customization and however you want to use that. So once you've done a video that you like, you can of course just copy paste this URL for future use. If you want to do another video, go up to here, click new video. It's going to say, just going to check with you that you don't want to go cancel any of your downloads. Start new, takes you right back to the starting point, put another video in and repeat. So it's a really friendly, really simple, straightforward way to automatically add high quality audio to your projects. Thanks for watching.